in the chapter applications of derivatives, sixth chapter, increasing and decreasing functions and an open interval. So you observe the function of the sin x. So when the 0 degrees, it is there 0 x value, and when it is pi by 6, it is 1 by 2. Pi by 4, it is 1 by root 2. So from 0 to pi by 2, whenever you observe that, it is very clear that increase हो रहा है, upper, the graph is going upwards. When you see that 0 to pi by 2, when you are observing from here, from the graph, it's a very simple concept here when you are understanding, and you are generalize, you need to generalize it so that it is an easy task. 0 to pi by 2, when you observe that it is increasing, and values also you see 0 hai, 1 by 2 hai, 1 by root 2 hai. But same thing when pi by 2 to pi, when you are observing, it is decreasing. The values also you see here, first it is 1, next it is root 3 by 2, next it is 1 by root 3, decrease 1 by 2, 0. So you can say that in an interval 0 to pi by 2, the sin x function is increasing, and pi by 2 to pi, it is decreasing, and it continuously like that, it is increasing and decreasing in different what is increasing and decreasing. But you say that now sin x is an increasing or decreasing function. Can anyone say increasing or a decreasing function sin x? No, it is whenever you observe. For that purpose, you need to know the original definition. Let us see the original definition. IE is an open interval contained in the domain of the real valued function y is equals to f of x. In a real valued function that you are taking into consider. Okay. Then I is the open interval, and the function f is said to be increasing function if x1 less than x2, f of x1 is less than or equals to f of x2 for all any value of the x1 and x2 belongs to interval. That means the values less hota hai, first value next value less hota hai, for every value, means value decrease. So increasing is, when do you say here increasing function in an interval? Strictly increasing. Strictly means sirf only less than if it is there. X1 less than x2 implies f of x1 less than f of x2. It is strictly increasing whenever you say that. Okay, you observe this graph. Whenever you say that red color, whatever it is highlighted, in that part it is not at all increasing and decreasing. It is so x1 less than x2 implies f of x1 is equals to f of x2 in that interval. O interval में whatever it may be, the values are there from that point, they are equal here. F of x1 value, f of x2 value are equal. So let us take the one example, f of x is equals to x plus 2. Let us take into consider. F of x is equals to x plus 2. When you observe that minus 1 is there, means f of x value 1, 0 is there means 2, 1 is there means 3, 2 is there means 4. So it is going on increasing. So this is when you observe that x1, whatever the value you are taking, x2, there is no equal you are not getting. So it is going on increasing. So it is strictly increasing function. This function is strictly increasing in the set of the real numbers. But in case of the previous example, whatever we have taken, it is not strictly increasing, because in some open interval, in some interval, the function values are equal. So in that situation, it is not strictly increasing. So now decreasing is nothing but f of x1 value is less than x2. F of x1 value is greater than or equal to f of x2 means it is called a decreasing function. Strictly greater than equal to if it is not given, then it is strictly decreasing function. F is a function said to be strictly decreasing on interval I. If x1 is less than x2, implies f of x1 is greater than f of x2 for all the values of x1 and x2. ये देखो, ये क्या है, ये ग्राफ, दिस ग्राफ इज नॉट स्ट्रिक्टली जस्ट डिक्रीजिंग फंक्शन, बिकॉज एक प्लेस में इक्वल है, वो दैट रेड कलर हाइलाइट प्लेस में फंक्शन वैल्यूज आर इक्वल वी आर गेटिंग, बट रिमेनिंग प्लेसेस में डिक्रीज हो रहे हैं, एक प्लेस में इक्वल हो गया, दोबारा डिक्रीज हो रहा है. Suppose if it is given to you continuously minus x plus 2 function, you take into consider this function. This function is strictly decreasing. ऊपर से नीचे तक आ रहे एरो मार्क, वो देख के तो पता चल रहा है. Simple concept here, increasing and decreasing function to understand. Main definition is this one. So what is the main definition? X1 less than x2, f of x1 less than or equal to f of x2. Then it is increasing. Only less than, strictly increasing. f of x1 less than x2 होता है तो भी f of x1 greater than or equals to f of x2, then that function is decreasing function. Less than means values are less than, then it is greater than means f of x1 greater than f of x2, then we say that it is strictly decreasing function. Now this is strictly decreasing function. When you observe that there is no equal value, you will never get for any set of the two different values in the domain. So this is strictly decreasing on the set of the real numbers. Now you observe the function what we have seen first starting. You say that sin x function in 0 to pi by 2 it is increasing, pi by 2 to pi it is decreasing, pi to 3 pi by 2 decreasing. Okay, so the domain of this sin x is set of the real numbers, and the range is -1 to 1. Okay, interval you take 0 to pi by 2, open interval 0 to pi by 2. In that interval 0 to pi by 2, the values are increasing. Function values means sin x values are increasing. So in that particular interval, we say that that function is increasing. The I is the interval. Here, what is the I here? 0 to pi by 2. Next is strictly increasing. It is strictly increasing. Anywhere it is not equal in I1. I2 you take pi by 2 to pi. It is decreasing. It is decreasing. And observe कर सकते हैं, values substitute करके भी, then by substituting the values also you can check. F of x1 is greater than or greater than f of x2 for all x2 belongs to pi by 2 to pi. So sin x is strictly decreasing in on I2. On I2. Okay. I2 is what here? Pi by 2 to pi. So sin x now here एक interval में increase हो रहा है, एक interval में decrease हो रहा है. Therefore, this is neither increasing nor decreasing in the domain. Neither increasing nor decreasing either. Now let us see the increasing and decreasing functions at a particular point in the given domain. So this function you observe that f of x is equals to 3 minus x 0 to 2. This function is, some intervals will be decreasing functions, some intervals में neither decreasing nor decreasing होगा, but increasing decreasing function at a particular point in the given domain. Okay, so let f be the real valued function. F is the function defined from the interval I to real numbers. Let x1 belongs to the interval. Let x1 belongs to the interval I, and let h is greater than 0. So consider x1 minus h, x1 plus h. What is meaning of this one? Very simple बेटा, ये भी बहुत ज़्यादा complicated नहीं करना. एक पॉइंट ले लो, ओ पॉइंट को एक पॉजिटिव वैल्यू, थोड़ा लेस थोड़ा राइट, that is nothing but x1 is a point is taken, x1 को थोड़ा less than means x1 minus h. Here h is a very small value to be taken, which is positive value. x1 plus h is nothing but right side. So that interval to be taken into consider, open interval. In that interval, f is said to be increasing at x1. If f is increasing in that particular means वो point की left side से थोड़ा right side से थोड़ा वो increase हो रहे हैं, वो particular point पे increasing function है बोलते हैं. समझ में आ रहे हैं ना? f is said to be strictly increasing in that particular interval if it is strictly increasing. Strictly means same concept. Interval is changed here. Increasing, strictly increasing, decreasing, strictly decreasing, depending upon that particular interval. वो interval में वो particular interval में increasing होता है तो increasing, and that interval if it is strictly increasing, decreasing or decreasing, strictly decreasing is simply at that particular point. Okay, so now the based on this one important theorem, because what is the use of the derivatives? Derivatives का use क्या है? Applications of derivatives we are doing. So how do we use that? Using this theorem, you can say f is a continuous function in a closed interval a comma b and differentiable in the open interval a comma b. Then f is increasing in the closed interval if f dash of x is greater than or equals to 0. If f is decreasing, f that means function derivative find out karo. Function derivative is greater than or equal to 0 in that interval means it is increasing. Function derivative if it is less than or equal to 0 in that interval means it is decreasing. Function derivative is equal to 0 means it is a constant function. समझ में आया ना? So this is the thing here. So let us see how it works. Actually, increasing, decreasing definitions you have learned. Let 2 points x1 comma x2 belongs to the closed interval a comma b such that x1 is less than x2. If f of x1 is less than f of x2, f of x less than. So as it is going to have the mean value theorem, which is mean value theorem, and theorem will be there in the derivatives. So that theorem says to you that f dash of c is equals to f of x2 minus f of x1 by x2 minus x1. F dash of c, a particular point in the derivative of the function in that interval is equal to f of x2 minus f of x1 by f. So let f dash of c is greater than or equal to 0. Greater than or equal to 0. So that means f of x2 minus f of x1 by x2 minus x1 is also greater than or equal to 0. From this you can say that f of x2 minus f of x1 is greater than or equal to 0. From this you can say that f of x2 is greater than or equal to f of x1. F of x1 is less than or equal to f of x2. x1 less than x2 ले लिया, f of x1 is less than or equal to f of x2 प्रूव कर लिया. Therefore f is increasing function बोल सकते हैं. When it is possible at that particular point if it is greater than or equal to 0. F dash of c is greater than or equal to 0 you are taking. That's why you are getting it is increasing function. In the same way, less than or equal to 0 whenever you are taking, you are going to get the decreasing function. F of x2 minus f of x1 less than or equal to 0 since x1 is less than x2. And f of x2 is less than or equal to f of x1. ने डिनोमिनेटर में क्या है x2 minus x1 is पॉजिटिव होगा ना. So that's why when you are denominator में positive होता है x2 minus x1, that is why the f of x2 minus f of x1 is less than 0. Here you are going to get it in this point. Okay, so decreasing function is equal to 0 हो गया. The functions both will be equal. F of x1 equal to f of x2 होगा. F of x1 equal to f of x2 is nothing but in that particular interval it is constant function, means it is equal. ग्राफ में कैसे होगा? Straight line होगा, parallel to the x-axis in the graph wherever you are observing. So that means when you are finding the derivative of the function, if you are saying that derivative of the function if you are finding, and that derivative of the function greater than or equal to 0 means it is increasing. It is less than or equal to 0 means it is decreasing function. Okay, so what are some results? F is strictly increasing if f dash x is greater than 0. Strictly decreasing if f dash of x is less than 0. Normally increasing greater than or equal to 0. Neither increasing and nor decreasing on interval if it is increasing or decreasing in every interval, every point में interval में increasing or decreasing होता है. Okay, so this by checking the f dash of x, we are going to find out whether it is increasing or decreasing the function. Okay,